Katie Arnott, COVID Safety Officer at D&M Research. Following a 3-month stint of working at home, we're delighted to have the opportunity to be back working in person in the office. We've missed our colleagues, and it's fantastic to be able to bounce ideas and collaborate in a way that only face-to-face interaction can provide. And we've done all of this without compromising the safety to our team or our visitors. We're proud to announce that D&M Research is now officially a COVID-safe registered workplace. Let me walk you through some of our protocols. We have invested in a clear screen in our reception to protect our front of house staff and visitors. We have a simple visitor register using a QR code. Hand sanitizer is provided in reception and in every room. Social distancing is maintained at all times. Desks and meeting rooms are sanitised at least twice a day and after every use using gloves. Generous workstations allow us to comply with the 4 square metre rule. No shed dishes or utensils, with each staff member now responsible for their own daily washing up. Masks and gloves are provided by the business. And of course, if anyone has any symptoms, they are to immediately self-isolate and get tested. By coming back to the office, we're back to supporting local business, which is critical to getting the economy back on track. And having a COVID-safe workplace is an important way we can contribute. For those of you who are still working from home, hang in there. Thanks for listening and stay safe.